Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the secret scalping trading strategy in TradingView that will be used to get the maximum profits by using the combination of three indicators that I am going to explain you today in this video. This strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market, and this strategy can be used in all time frames from 1 minute to 30 minutes time frames. Okay, before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened the time frame 15 minutes. I will change it into 5 minutes. In the gold chart, as you can see here, I have opened gold chart in my time frame and I have set the time frame on 5 minutes. The indicator that we are going to use, the first indicator is the Davos box. This is by Kivan Osbeljac. 4,287 traders are using this indicator. So simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that you are going to have here is the Mavelim W. This is again by Kivan Osbeljac. 12,531 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on this indicator as well. This is basically a Fibonacci moving average. And now we are going to add the third indicator, and that is the relative vigor index. Relative vigor index. You have to click on this one, and it is on our chart now. You can see now our chart will look like this, as this is in front of you. Okay. I want to tell you that whenever you are going to see when to take the trade for the long or for the short positions, we are having few rules for entering into the position. But for that, before going towards that, we have few of the adjustment that we are going to have in our two of the indicators. The first one is the Davos box. We are not going to change anything in the input, but in the style section, we will increase the opacity of these two colors so it will be more visible, as this is in front of you. Click OK. Now you will go in the Mavelim W, and here you have to change into the style section the colors of 0 and this as well. Okay, now this is all set. We will go into the chart. Okay, I want to tell you that when you are going to enter into the market for the buy position and when you have to take the entry for the sell position. As in the gold chart, this is currently, it is a downtrend. So I will tell you when to take the downtrend. Always remember, whenever our market has to cross over this Davos box and the market has to move below this blue color line, that is basically the Fibonacci moving average line. So we have to take the entry into the market for the downtrend or for the bearish trend or for the sell market. Okay, one more thing that you have to look towards your RVGI, that always remember that when are these two lines, red and green line, when the red line has to cross, green line has to cross over the red line, and both of them have the same pattern, like downward trend or upward trend, they will have the same. But always remember, whenever our green line has to move above this red color line, we have to take the entry for the downward trend, and we have to take the signal until this green line is not lower than this red line. As red line will cross over this green color line, you have to exit from the market and you have to take your trade out from this sell position. Okay, then we have to find out another position for our market to enter into the position for the bearish market. Okay, conversely, if we see when you have to enter into the market for the buy position, as you can see here, our market has crossed over this Darvas box and green color candles are formed, plus our market is going above this Fibonacci moving average. So we have to take the entry into the market for our buy position or for our bullish pattern. Okay, one more thing here, our red color line has to cross over this green color line and it has to have an upper trend, and we have to take the entry into the market, and we will be here until and unless this red color line will not cross over, and it should not go above this green color line. So we will be in the position to have the maximum profit in this strategy. So if we go in any other chart, for example, AUDJPY, here also you can see that our market is going to have an uptrend from here. So it has to go above this Darvas box. So it has gone above from here. But again, it is in between these two levels. Always remember this red color line is showing the resistance level, support level, and this green color line is showing this resistance level. Whenever a market is moving in between these two levels, so it has to go above, touch this line, and it will be pumped back or reversed back. So if it is crossed out of this Darvas box, then it has to go beyond this level and we have to take the entry into the market. But here this position was not valid, so we have to wait for our market to enter into a proper buy position. For example, here our market has crossed this level, the support level, resistance level, and it has gone out of it. So what we have to see, we have to look that if it has gone out of the Darvas box, our market has to move above this Fibonacci moving average. Here we have to see that our green color line should be above this red color line. Until and unless it is above this red color line, we have to take the entry and into the market for the buy position and get the maximum profit, as the green color line will be crossed by the red color line and red color line is gone above. Then we have to enter into the market for the bearish position, but by looking all three positions to be fulfilled for entering into the position for buy or sell market. I hope you understand the strategy. If you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and to use it for your own trading as well for getting maximum profit. So thank you so much for watching my video.